So I've been seeing a lot of American TV ads lately because of the basketball playoffs, and so that means I've been seeing a lot of drug ads, and I tend to like to look them up just out of curiosity. But I'm always a little disappointed to see, instead of some interesting new small molecule drug, it's just another monoclonal antibody. And also, beyond just being kind of boring, monoclonal antibodies also tend to be more expensive than small molecules, so if new drugs are all monoclonal antibodies, that also means they're probably less accessible to people. Something that's a little funny is a lot of these monoclonal antibodies are for autoimmune diseases, and they'll like advertise these specific cytokines or interleukins that they act against. And like, I don't know the details of half of these, but I guess if you've like got an autoimmune disease, you become a bit of an expert on the various signaling molecules involved in it. But so I saw one drug that advertised being an IL-23 blocker and looked it up, and that specifically is what actually prompted me to make this video quickly, because I wanted to share how abysmal naming schemes can be, as I've alluded to in other videos. So the problem is that IL-23 is a heterodimeric interleukin, so it uses subunits that are like parts of other interleukins. Like, just read this, make it make sense. And I mean, it's not the only interleukin with problematic naming. Just look at like IL-35 is another example. Don't get it twisted, it's not like this is anyone's fault. These molecules are named as they're discovered and before they're fully characterized. So we can't expect all of the names to be super systematic. And retconning the names of these proteins will just make everything more confusing, because if there's anything worse than a useless name, or sorry, an uninformative name, it's having a bunch of different names that get all mixed up. But so yeah, I'm pointing out a problem without a solution.